Rocket Lab is plus 9.46% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 8th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Rocket Lab, a major global company. Rocket Lab is up 9.46% to $82.83 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $77.38 and $83.25. The long-term fundamentals for Rocket Lab revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why is Rocket Lab, RKLB, in focus after new commercial space signals. Simplywall.st. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as oil price today. Brent rises 1% as Middle East conflict continues. Hormuz shipping disruption, the Times of India, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures rise as investors shrug off Fed hold, big tech earnings, iBurks, MSFT, Sophie, Meta in focus. StockTwits. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings. Moo, Avgo, Google in focus. StockTwits. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.84% to 1,078 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Bajaj Finance's 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and AUM growth. Rediff. AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Nintendo surged plus 5.26% to 8,043 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nintendo earnings. Resilient game shipments point to recovering user engagement, fair value up by 9%. Morningstar. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 8,525 yen and 58 sen level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. SAP surged plus 4.08% to €177.96 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SAP stock jumps as earnings beat eases RE fears. Barons. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for SAP sits around €188.64. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. Here is our analytical view on Rocket Lab from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why is Rocket Lab, RKLB, in focus after new commercial space signals. Simplywall.st. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. A successful first launch would dramatically expand the addressable market and justify a meaningful re-rating. Space Systems revenue from satellite components and manufacturing is a steady, often overlooked earnings base. Watch for any Neutron program update or new DoD launch contract. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Rocket Lab from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.